Wake up, boys. What the fuck? Woo! Cheers to you.
Hey, do you want to watch Texas Chainsaw Massacre?
Well, does a bear shit in the woods and wipe his ass with a rabbit?
I guess we're going to watch Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
All right. I'll let you do the intro. We're about to watch Texas Chainsaw Massacre 2022.
Silly Drunk with Kevin and Chris, and like he just said, we're about to check out Texas Chainsaw Massacre 22. I don't know. I don't really have big expectations for it, but I'm a big fan of the show, or the movie, rather. But let's hope that it's a good one. Not like that last one I made. Oh my God, that was just terrible.
You didn't like the last one, huh?
No, or the one before that. I liked the Texas 3D. That was all right.
Friday the 13th.
Yeah.
That's going to be the next big one.
Yeah, yeah.
And when they finish the Halloween Halloween ends, that's going to be the last big one for Halloween probably for a while.
They need to redeem themselves after Halloween Kills, man.
Oh, I heard it's supposed to be a totally different movie style.
Because we've seen so many parts that didn't fit. You know what I mean? It's like, because he's the next street over and they shot him up, and now he's over at this street fucking killing folks and all over the place. All right, let's do it.
Time for a shot of whiskey in this son of a bitch. I'm talking about. Oh, wow, dang.
That'll wake you up too.
In the summer of 1973, a few miles outside of Austin, Texas, 5 youths were attacked in a grisly and gruesome fashion by an unidentified madman. The shocking murders were committed with a variety of tools, including hammers, meat hooks, and most disturbingly, a chainsaw.
There's an image in my mind that will never go away.
Of the 5 young victims, only one survived. Sally Hardesty, who after telling her story to the police, never again spoke of the horrors she saw that day. After hearing Hardesty's account, officials released this composite picture of the killer.
Everybody's terrified.
He is said to have worn a mask made of human skin. However, his true identity remains a mystery. For the next hour, we'll take you on a journey into one of Texas's most famous unsolved murders.
So she's watching like a true
Unsolved mysteries and shit.
All I can say, girls, put your running shoes on.
That's $18.99. Unless I can interest you in a shirt or two.
It's not going to be good if she's going to be the star. She's going to be the girl.
Whatever happened to her? Is she still alive?
She became a ranger here in Texas. She must have looked for that maniac for more than 30, 40 years.
So she found him.
He was wearing a mask. Not easy to locate someone if you don't know what they look like.
Hey, sis, Theodore. Yeah, right where you left me, brother. Hey, look. Something cool.
Sorry, big gun makes you uncomfortable.
I've seen bigger.
She insults him with a gun.
All right, something?
Sure. Anyway, I'm super happy.
Before I got here, or what?
Mel, check out our post. It's blowing up. Hey guys, today is the day. We're finally giving birth to this crazy dream Mel and I had. Real change is here. So thank you all. Can't wait to see you on Harlem.
Oh, it's gonna be great. Think about it. We can own all of this. You're the cook. The chef. We're both
Dang,
and who else you have in
busted.
there? Well, this is my future wife.
And my
You
sister
the
back
cook.
in.
What, am I Breaking Bad or
Is
what?
everything okay?
You see color, dude.
I know you get a lot of folks coming through, so me and my deputy are gonna hang around to
So
make sure
everybody
you don't
knows
stay
who
out
they
of trouble. Call me if
Is he
you need me.
Walter White or what?
Sure. We have your number, and
We're Jesse.
we thank you
We look
for
for
your
faces.
service, sir.
Little best.
Listen, some of us were born here, you know.
And shit.
Saw it in its prime. So please.
You know, our grandmother was actually born around
It's a sad
around
day
here.
when there ain't no more liquor.
You know, when Harlow's son
No,
Paul
There's something
was.
about that. Big old open country with a bunch of nothing. And leather.
And face.
Yeah,
Leather and face.
Behold the joys of late-stage capitalism.
Y'all joyriding on the wrong side of town.
Where you going, city boy?
Place.
They've been high
On
for
the feet
50
of young beloved
years,
people like
y'all.
us, tired of the
They've
big
been high
city,
for 50
looking for a fresh
years.
start.
Ghost town.
Oh, you're the new neighbors, aren't you?
You kin the leather face, I know it.
Yeah.
You kin the family.
He used to suck on your tit for milk.
Sweet tea?
I don't know this guy, y'all.
I've been
I really don't.
working it.
Oh. Oh.
Right.
What about Oak Steel?
I'm swinging like a 7-year-old man. Sorry.
No.
Man, they made this a little bit. 50 years. They can make it at any time here they want. Why they choose to do that? I don't get it. I'm not understanding too much of this. Who the hell is this wrong turn looking motherfucker? This movie is terrible. Oh. Man, this movie is garbage.
Fuck this. Where are you going?
All right, we watched Texas Chainsaw Massacre 22, and if it was a drink, it would taste like this. Garbage. Shit on it. Oh, it's terrible.
Anything else you got to say about it? This is horror movie reviews with Kevin and Chris. We just watched the new Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Not only was it a bad movie,
Kind of sucked.
it was a bad movie probably in the history of movies I've ever watched. It was terrible. Let me tell you. As a fan of Texas Chainsaw, you couldn't get no worse.
So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. It blowed. It sucked.
It makes no sense. The
wasn't about
storyline
shit.
sucks.
They had the original Chainsaw, but that was nothing. You can't make a movie just with that.
It ain't no count. Save your dollars and save your time.
Better luck next time, Hollywood, and hope that y'all do better with Friday the 13th. Don't let us down on that.
Oh,
because
don't let us down.
we're really ready for it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to hit the like button. You know what I'm talking about?
Always hit the like button.
Always hit the like button.
Because we're here for you, and I hope you're here for us.
That's on the real.
Now we finna go hit this spliff and try to forget about this movie.
Okay, peace out, y'all.
The violence and the madness. So we're safe.
Come on, bro.
Okay, and 7 hours by car. I guess I can say goodbye to my friends
Put the
forever.
eyebrows on TikTok.
watch them fly.
What is he doing here?
Tick tock, watch them fly. Excuse me.
Under facelift, about all I can do in a week.
Well, it looks good for the auction. Thank you.
You're planning to sell these?
What if he's hiding in that church?
All right.
Chris, you think he's hiding in that church?
So you guys are what, like a cult?
We're the idealistic individuals who want to build a better world.
He is.
Yeah, that's
He
a cult.
has the access. So where they
It's all
at?
right.
You know?
Please.
Ma'am, the bank, reclaimed this property months ago. You're not supposed to be here.
The hell you say?
You talking about that whole mix-up with the bank? That's been settled. I paid everything I owed. This is still our house.
You're wrong. I'm sorry, but
I've got a title that says otherwise.
Oh, you better.
Do you mind if we see that?
Y'all need to go to court, Judge Judy or something, because
I don't have to show you.
I think she's getting the Leatherface, y'all. I think he's in close by watching this
Saul
shit.
is mightier than the sword in this situation.
Oh, he got an eye. He got a little eye hole in the wall and shit with his eye looking
I'm
like
taking
this.
care of many boys like you over there.
okay, fuck this.
You watch your mouth, boy.
Give me shit.
Is this 2022? Now I really want to know where time zone are we